You are watching Agri Artist. Why spend hundreds of dollars on rare plants when you can get the same stunning look for just a few dollars? Today, I'll show you budget-friendly plant alternatives that look just as beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Artist. If you love plants but don't want to spend too much money, this video is for you. Let's discover some amazing affordable alternatives to the world's most expensive plants. Number 1. Monstera Albo versus Monstera Deliciosa. Expensive plant. Monstera Albo variegata. Price $200 to $1,000 to plus. Affordable plant. Monstera Deliciosa. Price $10 to $30. Monstera Albo is famous for its beautiful white variegation and high price. But Monstera Deliciosa gives you the same tropical split-leaf look. You can enjoy the same luxury vibe while saving hundreds of dollars. Number 2. String of pearls versus string of bananas. Expensive plants. Senecio rollianus. Price $25 to $80. Affordable plant. Curio radicans. Price $5 to $15. String of pearls looks unique but can be expensive and delicate. String of bananas is easier to grow and very similar in appearance. A perfect budget-friendly hanging plant. Number 3. Fiddle leaf fig versus rubber plant. Expensive plant. Ficus lyrata. Price $50 to $150. Affordable plant. Ficus elastica. Price $10 to $40. Fiddle leaf fig is stylish but needs extra care. Rubber plant has the same bold, glossy leaves with less maintenance. A smart and affordable choice for beginners. Number 4. Bonsai versus jade plant. Expensive plant, juniperus bonsai. Price $50 to $300. Affordable plant, Crassula ovata. Price $5 to $20. Bonsai trees are beautiful, but costly and time-consuming. Jade plant can be shaped into a bonsai style easily. It's cheap, low maintenance, and perfect for beginners. Calathea orbifolia versus Calathea makoyana. Expensive plant, Calathea orbifolia. Price $40 to $120. Affordable plant, Calathea makoyana. Price $10 to $30. Orbifolia is known for its large striped leaves and premium look. Makoyana offers similar artistic patterns at a much lower price, perfect for indoor decoration on a budget. Rare blue succulents versus echeveria. Expensive plant, rare blue succulents. Price $30 to $100. Affordable plant, Echeveria elegans. Price $3. $10. Rare blue succulents are trendy but expensive. Echeveria gives you the same rosette shape and aesthetic beauty. A great choice for small spaces and low budgets. Bird of paradise versus areca palm. Expensive plant, Strelitzia regina. Price $50 to $200. Affordable plant, Dipsis lutescens. Price $10 to $40. Bird of paradise creates a luxury tropical vibe. Areca palm gives a similar fresh and lively look. It's affordable and perfect for indoor greenery. Variegated plants versus golden pothos. Expensive plant, rare variegated plants. Price $100 to $500. Affordable plant, Epipremnum aureum. Price $3 to $15. Variegated plants are very popular but often expensive. Golden pothos offers beautiful variegation at a very low cost. It's also one of the easiest plants to grow. Anthurium clarinervium versus Anthurium. expensive plant, Anthurium clarinervium. Price, $80 to $250, affordable plant, Anthurium andrianum. Price, $10 to $30. Clarinervium is loved for its velvet leaves and rare beauty, but Anthurium andrianum adds bright color and elegance, a perfect affordable option for indoor decoration. So, you don't need a big budget for a beautiful garden. Which plant was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ARP Agri Artist.